the duty of Wilfred Elrington as foreign minister, if he is laboring under a confusion as to where our waters are, he has a responsibility to make the delineation of those lines. Now, we go further. He said in his statement that you can't prosecute people because you don't know where people are in which area. Well, we do have GPS, we do have the compass, and these things can tell you where north, south, east, and west. It can tell you where your latitude and longitude is. I have never heard anybody in our BDF or in our Coast Guard, when I was in government, say that they were lost and they did not know where they were, that they did have instrumentation to find out where they are. If it is that Mr. Elrington is saying that the police and the BDF and the Coast Guard do not have the equipment to tell them where they are by latitude and longitude, then that is his responsibility to equip them in order to do that. It is absolutely unacceptable for the foreign minister, for the Attorney General of Belize, to tell the Belizean people that we are lost when we are at sea. He may be lost. I want to suspect that the Coast Guard would reject the assertion of the foreign minister that they don't know where they are, whether they're in Belize or they're in Guatemala. And let me just close off on this point by saying this. The Maritime Areas Act specifically sets out in a number of sections that the courts of Belize have jurisdiction in criminal matters, in civil matters, in our territorial waters, and in our exclusive economic zone. The Attorney General needs to read the law before he speaks. If he doesn't understand or if he doesn't know the law, get advice. If he doesn't know where Belize begins and Belize ends in the sea, something is radically wrong, and he ought not to be our Attorney General. He ought to resign as Foreign Minister if he doesn't know.